Getting cold, and we got a few of the packages in. These are basically it for the rest of the year. I'm not getting nothing new. These are like cables and stuff to make the intake for the turbo. And this is just a little sneak peek of the next project. If you know, you know. This is the Spectre 4-inch coupler. I like this one because it's a very tight 90, and I hope this gives me enough room to where I could just make like a little intake, you know, that leads to the airbox. So I'm gonna throw this on the turbo right now and see if my idea will pan out. So originally I bought this offset coupler to see if it will fit. It won't fit. If it was a little bit more steep, it would have worked, and I wouldn't have to get the complete 90. So it's either I get this 90 or get one of those little small filters that goes onto the front of the small little mesh filters. But I still don't like that because it doesn't really prevent anything like dirt or anything from getting into the turbo. So that's the reason why I'm trying to actually get like a regular K&N filter or something like that, a cone filter on it. Man, things on there. Whew. So this was expensive, but it did not work. So we're going to try this one. Hopefully this one works. If it fits, this would be great. Now, how do I want to put this coupler on? So it's a bit of a tight fit. There you go. Now I got a coupler on. So hopefully I should be able to put like one of those smaller cone filters right here. So this way I can at least filter out the turbo. Just filter out the air for the turbo. But it's going to be a nice little spot. You get a whole bunch of fresh air coming in. So yeah, I think that'll work. So one problem solved. Turbo is tight. Coolant line, the oil line is also tight. So I'm just slowly putting everything together. Make a note of it because I think this is it for the winter. Winter is coming. It's freezing out here, so I will be wrapping up soon. So like I said, since it's winter, I'm probably gonna wrap it up soon. This is a nice little view of everything without the plastic on it, except for this one. I'm just going to try to put this belt on. It should be a 935, 930. So I'm trying to get that on so I can figure out where to put this line and run it out of the way. You know, just do the little miscellaneous stuff for right now. And that's it. Season's over. Unless something major happens. That's it for the year, y'all. Hopefully next year will be better.